Crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of the 31 pumpkins of Halloween. Today we're going to be doing a Harry Potter inspired pumpkin, and I'm going to use this peach acrylic paint. Now, disclaimer, I used 2 coats of peach and it was really orange, so I mixed in a little bit of white, but I think I mixed in a little too much, so it's a little light. I feel like it worked out in the end, but be very careful when you're lining up your colors because I tend to do this a lot. I either make them too light or too dark, so little by little does it. Now I'm going to use this like dark chocolate brown to paint literally half her head. And one thing I know about Hermione is that she's got like this poofy kind of hair, and so I created like these little curls on top of like her bangs to make them puffy, and I thought that that looked pretty cute, and I added that to the sides of her hair on her face. That actually changed later. I feel like the straight hair made it look a little bit more feminine, so I did change it. I used a little bit of red with a tiny drop of brown. I did this one right. And let's make that burgundy color that goes on their scarf. Once I do 3 little stripes, I leave space in between them to add some of the yellow to make those Gryffindor colors. This part was really easy. It's just kind of getting the line straight that is a little difficult, but overall, this took like no time to make at all. Once I add the yellow, the scarf is ready, and I am ready to paint her face. Now, okay, so when you're making like a human character into like an animated character or into, like a drawing, it is pretty difficult, but chibi never fails me. So I'm going to do those big eyes, and I'm going to add a little rosy cheeks and a little smirk in the mouth, and I think that that's gonna pretty much make her face perfect, because if I tried to recreate a human face, then I'd be here forever. And it probably wouldn't be as cute. She's beautiful, but, I'm not very good at art. And there's the little face. Oh my goodness, the sun. So once I got out of the sun, you guys can see the skin color is not as light as it looked before. I'm going to add some catch lights to the eyes to make them, like more alive. And once I'm happy with them, I am pretty much done. Now, I wasn't 1,000,000,000% happy with it. I feel like I could move her face around a little bit, but she is so cute. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you want to see more Harry Potter characters into pumpkins. Thanks for watching.